Hello, my dear children. Myself, Priyanka Tripathi, the teacher of St. Xavier School, Hardoi. I am here to teach you general knowledge of class 4, and the topic is the great epics. Before starting, first of all, subscribe to our channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notification. Now we will start our topic, the great epics. Firstly, we will discuss that what is an epic. The word epic is derived from the ancient Greek adjective epikos, which means a poetic story. In simple Hindi language, we can say it as Mahan Katha or Veer Gatha. An epic is a long book, poem, or film whose story extends over a long period of time or tells of great events. Epics were written to commemorate the struggles and adventures of kings and warriors. Children, here commemorate means to remember. Epics are sometimes based on myths and legends. Myths means imaginary and the legend means great personalities. Heroes in the epics have the qualities that the culture as a whole values. Heroes in the epics are important people of high standing in society. There are gods or supernatural forces involved in the story of epic. Now we will see the list of first 10 great epics of world. First is the Epic of Gilgamesh. Second, the Iliad. Third, the Odyssey. Fourth, the Mahabharata. Fifth, Virgil, the Aeneid. Sixth, Ovid, Metamorphosis. Seventh, Firdausi, the Shahnameh. Eighth, Beowulf. Ninth, Nibelungenlied. 10th, the Song of Roland. Children, now we are going to see the most important epics of India. First is the Mahabharata. Second, the Ramayana. Third, Panchatantra. Fourth, Sangam literature. Fifth, Abhijnan Sakuntalam. Sixth, Kamsutra. Seventh, Shishupala Basha. Eighth, the Kirat Arjuniya. Ninth, the Arthashastra. 10th, Buddha Karita. Now we are going to discuss about some famous epics. The Mahabharata. Mahabharata was composed by Maharishi Vedvyas and written by Lord Ganesha. The Mahabharata is the longest epic poem known and has been described as the longest poem ever written. It was first composed about 5000 years ago. It is the longest epic in the world literature with 1 lakh shlok, 20 line stanzas. It is the story of Kauravas and the Pandavas. The Kauravas were 100 brothers, of whom Duryodhan was the eldest. They were the son of Dhritarashtra. The Pandavas were 5 brothers: Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev. Pandavas were the sons of Pandu. Kauravas and Pandavas fought a great battle at Kurukshetra for the control of the kingdom of Hastinapur. Pandavas finally won the war. The Bhagavad Gita is a part of the Mahabharata. The Ramayana. The Ramayana is the first Indian epic composed sometime in the 5th century about the exile and the return of Rama, Prince of Ayodhya. It is a long poem about 24,000 verses by tradition. It is also known as Adi Kavya, and it is divided into 7 books, composed about 6500 years. The Ramayana tells the story of victory of good over evil. Dashrath, king of Ayodhya, had 3 wives. He had 4 sons. The eldest was Rama, to the youngest was born Bharat, and to the youngest were the Lakshman and the Shatrughan. Ram was the son of Queen Kaushalya. As he was the eldest son, the king Dashrath announced that he succeed him. But his stepmother Kaikeyi insisted that the king Dashrath banish Rama from the kingdom for 14 years. Ram, along with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, was sent to live in forest for 14 years. During his exile, his wife Sita was kidnapped and his brother Lakshman saved her with the help of Anjani Putra Hanuman and his monkey army. However, the Ramayana is not only about Lord Rama and the rescue of his wife Sita. The Ramayana is also about devotion, loyalty, family roles, and respect for elders. It does not begin with the life of Rama, but actually with people on earth who suffered from the demon named Ravana. Now we will do some activities. Answer the following questions. Write the name of first epic of the world. Answer is the Epic of Gilgamesh. Second, write the name of first two epics of India. Answer is the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. Third, who composed the great epic the Mahabharata? Answer is Maharishi Vedvyas. Fourth, by whom the battle of Kurukshetra was fought? Answer is Kauravas and Pandavas. Fifth, who won the battle of Kurukshetra? Answer is the Pandavas. Sixth, who was the eldest son of the king Dashrath? Answer is Rama. Seventh, who kidnapped the wife of Rama? Answer is the Lanka king Ravana. Eighth, who was sent to live in forest for 14 years? Answer is Rama with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman. Ninth, who killed the Lanka king Ravana? Answer is Rama. 10th, Dashrath was the king of which place? Answer is Ayodhya. Thank you children for watching my video.